What happens when a rising power challenges the world's dominant system? For nearly a century, the world was shaped by American power. Not only through military strength, but through finance and technology. The dollar became the center of global commerce. American technology shaped how the world communicates. American universities attracted the world's brightest students. For decades, this system appeared permanent. But history rarely remains still. Today, another power is rising. China is no longer simply a manufacturing country. It is becoming a technological and geopolitical force. The real question is no longer about China's rise. The real question is this: what happens if China becomes the center of the global system? Many people imagine hegemony as military conquest. But modern hegemony is often invisible. It shapes supply chains, technology standards, and trade routes. It shapes financial systems and information networks. Great powers do not simply rule territory. They shape systems. The British Empire once controlled the seas. The United States later controlled finance and global trade. Every hegemonic power creates a world reflecting its own interests. China may attempt to do the same. The Belt and Road Initiative is not simply infrastructure. It may represent an attempt to reshape global connectivity. Chinese ports and railways are expanding across continents. At the same time, China is investing heavily in AI. Semiconductor technology has also become a strategic priority. The future may depend on who controls technology and data. This is why the rivalry between America and China matters. It is not simply a rivalry between two countries. It may be a competition between two systems. One system was built around liberal globalization. The other may be built around state-driven coordination. Some countries may welcome this shift. Others may fear it. Because when hegemonic systems change, the rules of the world also change. Trade relationships begin to shift. Currencies rise and fall. Alliances weaken and reorganize. New institutions emerge and uncertainty spreads. History shows that transitions are rarely peaceful. The rise of new powers often creates fear. That fear reshapes diplomacy, economics, and military strategy. This is why the world today feels increasingly divided. Supply chains are splitting. Technology, ecosystems are separating. Financial systems are becoming geopolitical tools. The world may not be entering a traditional Cold War, but it may be entering a fragmented world order. Countries may no longer trust a single global system. Instead, multiple blocs may emerge. American-led systems, Chinese-led systems, regional coalitions and competing standards, competing financial networks, competing visions of world order. This is why China's future matters far beyond China itself. The issue is not simply whether China becomes stronger. The issue is whether the world reorganizes around a new center. And this raises an uncomfortable question. Can the world remain stable during such a transition? A global system requires more than economic size. It requires trust, stability, and predictability. This is why hegemony is never purely about force. It is also about legitimacy. People follow systems they believe can create prosperity. This is one reason America remained powerful for so long. It built universities, markets, and technologies. China may now be attempting to build its own version. But every rising power faces the same challenge. Can it become powerful without creating fear? Can it expand influence without destabilizing the world? Can it build trust beyond its borders? These questions may define the 21st century. Because the future is not simply about strength. It may be about which system the world trusts. Perhaps that is the real meaning of hegemony. Not domination alone, but the power to shape the world. The world is changing, and the balance of power is shifting. History may once again be entering a period of transition. The question is not whether change is coming. The question is what kind of world will emerge after it.